कि सिर्फ हम दो ही हैं क्या मीटिंग में?
क्या बोल रहा है?
मेरे कोई आएगा कि नहीं बे? 12:30 हो गए ना, तो क्लास स्टार्ट होगा ना 12:35 को
बारह
होगा।
पैंतीस में होता है क्लास।
तू इतना जल्दी आके क्या कर रहा है?
अबे हम लॉग इन हो गए, मेरा वो टाइमर सेट है ना, तो दिखाया तो इसीलिए लॉग इन हो गए।
अच्छा है, अच्छा है, अच्छा है।
हाँ,
ये क्या पढ़ाएंगे बे सर, पता नहीं।
वही
बेसिक
स्ट्रिंग वाला
जानता है ना बे?
पढ़ाएंगे सर। हाँ,
हम जो भी कुछ बोल रहे ना रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, पता है ना बे तुझे?
नहीं रे।
देख रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन है, पहले
रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन
देख
है।
जाके।
हाँ
हाँ
हाँ,
ऑन है।
रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन है।
सब रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, हम जो भी बोल रहे हैं वीडियो कॉल करते हैं सब।
हाँ।
फिर सब पछताएंगे बाद में। मैं जाता हूँ, 5 5 मिनट बाद आऊंगा।
So what we have to input a list of numbers, and we have to source the number using the what linear search. So we take a empty list, we input the number of elements to process, then from 0 to that number we go on inputting the number and add it to the list. And at last, if you want to print the list, simply write print list name. No need to write the loop to print like you do it in the C. So my numbers are being entered, but I want to search an element from the linear by using the linear search. So what I'll do, I'll take a variable flag equals to 0 and source this item from what? From this array. I have to source the item from the array, right? Linear search, what do you do? Linear search, we go on comparing from the beginning of the list, we compare with each of them. So here also same thing. If item equals to array of I, if it matches, we say we set the flag as 1. That means item is found, indicating that item is found, and it will come out break. So if nowhere it matches, none of the items matches with this item, then flag will never become 1. So flag will be 0. In that case, I will say element is found or element is not found. Now, if an element is found, that item itself is the index value, and it is, I will say that the item is found at this. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Can anybody say that how many operations what is the time complexity of this linear search?
Friends.
Just speak of n. So it is n times, because I have to process all the n, right? I'll tell you, this is the linear search I have told you. If you want, you can go for searching the element by using the binary search. You will do of your own. Although in the other data structures I have given you the this program for implementation, but now also if you want, only thing is that you just have to change this part for going for a binary search, and assuming that your number should be entered in a what ascending, in a sequence, in a either in ascending or descending order, in sorted order. Okay. So look over here. Can you guess the output? If I print the length of this, the output is 3. We can also add two lists. I have a list over here. This is another list. If I use just plus operator, so we can do plus operation. Plus operation doesn't mean that the member wise addition will be done. It is just concatenating the second list at the end of the first list. You can see over here. And the list can also be, I can use the multiply operator, I into 4, right? So if I have multiple, suppose 1, 2, 3 into 4, if I have 4 strings into 4, so 4 strings will be multiplied for 4 times. It will be displayed. List may have number of items into 4. That list will be repeated for that number of times, given number of times. I'll check whether 3 is in this. So in is the operator. The in operator checks that whether the given value in this list or not. Is it understood? If you use this in linear search, just think over here. If I check item in array, I'll write item in array, x is equal to item in array. That will return true or false. Directly will get whether item to write the logic, entire logic over here. I may not get the index at that time, but if I check whether it is present or not, I just have to write this line, only this, I3 in this. So it will check whether this is it. So in my previous program, this 3 will be replaced by item, and this 1, 2, 3 will be replaced by array, ARR. So item in ARR, this will return true.
Sir, your voice is properly.
Similarly, for is it understood or not? Are you getting what I'm saying?
Your voice is glitching.
Hello. Hello,
Yes, sir.
Can you
can you
repeat?
hear me now?
Yes, sir. So can you repeat it?
Okay, just repeating. See, if I print length of 1, 2, 3, it will print the length of the list. If I use a plus operator with two lists, so the second list will be added at the end of the first list. If I use a multiply operator with a number, then that list will be repeated for the given number of times. But if I check 3 in 1, 2, 3, it will check that whether this 3 is present in this list or not. If I want to go for linear search, suppose the previous program that we have done, the linear search, we were searching this item in the array. We are searching the item in the array. 2, 3 may be replaced by ARR, item in ARR. So this will return true or false, whether it is present or not present. I may not have to go for writing the complex, this logic, entire logic, for loop, if condition, break statement, not required. I just write item in ARR, it will return true or false. Right? So similarly, if I write for X is in 1, 2, 3, print X, it will print the elements like this one. I have given a comma, it should have comma over here. I forgot to give this comma. So comma has to be over here. Similarly, we can compare two lists. CMP is the function that is used, compare list 1, list 2. So compares element of both lists and returns what? Wherever it doesn't, where the first match is not found. Wherever this match is not found, it will show you. Max min, it will return the maximum element from the list. Min will return the minimum element from the list. Max will return the maximum element of the list. Min will return the minimum of the list. List of a sequence. Suppose I have a tuple. Tuple I have not told till now. Suppose I have some other data type. I want to change it to list. I have a sequence. I want to change it to list. I'll give a sequence over here. And I give the list function, it will be converted to list. Okay, is it understood, or I'll show you by demonstration? Can you do of your own all this? Hello, can you do this all of you? Can you do of your own, or I'll show you by demonstration? Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir?
Okay, these things can you practice of your own,
Yes, sir.
or I should show you the demonstration of this?
We can do it, sir.
Sir? Hello?
Yes. Hello.
Sir, in the max and min function,
Hello, Jyoti Prakash.
you said that it will give the max function, you said that
Hello?
it will give the maximum and minimum value.
It will return. Correct.
But sir, in list we can store different data types. Means tuple, list, integer, float, and bool data type also.
Very good.
Then
Okay.
how it will return?
First thing is that if you are having, I'm telling you what, when you have similar kinds of data, it will find out the maximum and minimum. If you have character data, it will find out the ASCII value and then find out which is the maximum ASCII value over there. If you have ASCII value with the numbers, then maximum of those will be returned.
Okay, sir.
Is it understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So if you have integers, it will return ASCII value. If it is a mixture of those, it will return the maximum of. So these things I suggest that you try of your own. It's not. If I'll go for explain this, not a problem. The thing is that it may take some time. I'll go for some of these only. I'm not going for all. Few of these I'll just go for.
Sir, if you are doing do the last one only, sir. The others are
Yes, that I'm saying. Which one? Last one, list of sequence or which one?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay,
convert
list of-
into the list.
Suppose, for example, I have a equals to, I have some values over here, some value over here, correct? This is A, but this is not a list. This is not a list. I want to convert it to a list, right? Suppose X equals to list of A, right? Now you see this is being a list. What is the advantage over here? I can change this X of 1 equals to 20. See over here, X of 1 equals to 2, but I cannot write A of 1 equals to 20. That I cannot write. That I cannot write. Correct? It says that I can go for because now it is mutable because it is a list. So I have this is actually when you give this bracket, it is a tuple. The tuple is being converted to list. So you can convert any other data type to a list data type. Correct? Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
I can also compare two lists. Suppose I have X is a list and Y is a list, and sorry, X and Y is a list, and I'll go for comparing X comma Y.
The CMP, sir.
CMP, sorry. CMP X comma Y. CMP is compare S. COMP or perhaps COMP, no, compare. Let me check that word. Let me check in just web. There, CMP is the function. Maybe here it may not be loaded. It is in 2.x. So it may not be. This is in 2.x. So may not be. Doesn't work in Python 3.x. So it is not in 3.x. Correct? Compare method is in 2.x and doesn't work in 3.x. So the compare over here is not there. Anyway, the function is not available for 2.3. Sorry, 3.0 onwards. So this is for, we can write for 2.x. Okay. Doesn't work for 3.x. Okay. Now these functions again, I will say you will try of your own. Actually, the append function adds element at the end of the list. I have already shown you one example where it was adding to the list. ARR.append, it was adding to the list. If you want to remove all the elements, simply clear. ARR.clear, all the elements will be clear for the list, but the list is not deleted. List will be there. Elements are being removed. So later you can add elements to the list, but the clear command will clear the elements from the list itself. returns a copy of the list. If I want to copy the elements, it return the number of elements with the specified value, how many number of elements are there. We can go for extend, add the element of a list to the end of the current list. So this is similar to this append. Index function returns the index of the first element with the specified value.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
So these have a short function of the list. You can have all the try of it. These functions, can I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me
Not
now?
properly. Sometimes it's breaking.
So now
Let's keep glitching, sir.
maybe some network, maybe some network issue. I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Maybe some network issue. Usually, okay. Well, if you could not hear at some time, you tell me so that I will repeat it. Right? Okay. So the functions that I have written over here and the purpose also I have written. Now what you have to do for each of these functions, you will try of your own. You will write, you will declare a list, you will use the append function and see that how the number can be added. Use the clear function to clear it. So try using all these functions so that you could able to know that how these functions actually behave with the list. Telling you in detail or executing each of these in detail, but do practice of your own at your home, and for each of the functions you work with the list itself. Correct? Okay. Now, can you tell me what will be the, just see over here. Forget about the right hand side this bar. Tell me fruits 1 to 4. What it should display? Fruits 1 to 4. Whether these are true or left hand side is the command that I have given. I have given this command. This is my list. This is my list. I have given fruits 1 colon 4. Whether it is true or false. 1 comma 4. 1 colon 4.
True, sir.
True, sir. True, sir.
True, sir.
So it is starting from 1. 1 means this is index 0, this is index 1. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it will, even if it is not there, so it will return up to this. Fruits of minus 4, minus 1. Minus 4 to minus 1. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Look over here. If I have 1 to 4, what it is printing? What it is printing? From 1 to n minus 1, 4 minus 1, that means up to 3. If it is minus 4 minus 1, what does it mean? So from minus 4, starting from minus 4, so it will start minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Starting from minus 1 to
Minus 4
0.
to minus 2, sir.
So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. So minus 4 to minus 2.
2,
Is it understood? So minus 1, again minus 1 is minus 2. So mango, banana and guava will come. So it is true. Minus 4 colon. So starting from minus 4, all other elements. Starting from minus 4, all other elements. Correct? Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
So colon minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Colon minus 2. Colon first one is not given. The end is minus 2. End is minus 2 means over here. This is minus 2, but it will go from till minus 1. So it will mango and banana will come over here. So I will start from minus 2 onwards. That means it will give guava and strawberry. Is the output understood? Anybody having doubt on this?
Understood, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now this one you take out your copy and write the output of this 7. Take out your copy. I will not say anything. You take out your copy and write the output of the following. Predict the output of the following. The language is Python. Languages is, this is, see over here, this is a string. Here I have a list of items, languages. Now, what will be the output of this? What is the output of all these following? What will be the output of these following? Can anyone say print language 0 colon 3? Language, it's not languages. This is language and languages.
PYT.
0 colon 3.
Sir.
0, 1, 2,
Python.
3. You want
C++.
PYT.
Sir, Python C++.
PYTH.
PYT.
only Python.
PYT, sir.
PYT.
PYT, not H. 0, 1, 2. Correct.
Yes.
Now, if it is 0 to 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Correct?
Python C,
So
C++.
guess the value of
Python C and C++. Python C and C++.
similarly guess the value. Yes. Guess the value of dollar at 2 places such that to print this gives output as this. What should be the guess the value of dollar? Guess the value of dollar at 2 places such that I will write this, what I will write over here so that my output should come from Python, Java, C, Python, Java and C. What I
Sir,
should print over,
4 to
give over here. So
0, 1, minus 1, minus 1.
with a step value of -2, step value of
Yes, sir.
-2. So it should go
Sir,
over up to
starting
this.
from, sir, first dollar will be -2.
Starting from -2. Write off your own
Minus
and
5,
we'll
sir.
check
Minus
that
2
what
to
should
minus
the,
5.
-5 or 6. We have a step value, so we can go for -6. No problem. So
Sir,
those who are writing -5 or minus or by 5 only. Correct. So see over here. The first one is PYT. Second one is up to C, C++. Third one is -2, -7. -2, -7, or you may write 5 to 0 also with a step value of -2. Correct? So that is it understood? -2, -7, or you may write 5, 0. Is it understood or not? These $2 may be replaced by -2, -7, or you may write 5 with 0. So 5 minus 5, 3, 2 like that. One this way. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the output of this? What is the output of this? I want to add this language and languages.
Errors.
Why it is error?
Because both are of different types, sir. The language
Because
is
there is
of
a string,
string
another is
type,
a
and
list.
second one is of list type.
Yes. So they are. If I would have p, y, t, h, o, then it would be in a list, and I would have add this. But now this is a string and this is a list, and that cannot be added. Right? How will you add a new language VB after C++? I want to add VB after C++ at a particular index. This is 0, 1, 2. This is starting 0, 1, 2. So here I have to insert.
Yes, sir. Language dot
Correct?
insert.
So I just have to insert. I have to insert at which position? 3
Three.
position and give. Correct? Remove this from the language. I can use the remove function so that this can be removed. So I'll just write like languages dot remove the item name. Languages dot remove the item name, it will be removed. Right? Which of the following will add at the end of the language?
Sir, the voice is not audible.
I have 4 over here. Can you tell which are the command can be used to add COBO? I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at the 6th index already we have the element. Can you tell which one can be used? Can I write this one language insert 7 COBOL? At the 7th location I want to insert. Can I insert or not? And I can also append. Append means add at last. So it can be added at the last. So C and D will definitely work. Is that clear? But if I write -1, the -1 is nothing but the JavaScript, right? So it will not append over there. So append is not taking index. Index has to be given over here with insert. Append doesn't take any argument. Append doesn't take the index as an argument. Is that clear? So C and D are correct. Is it understood?
Yes,
Sir, question number 3.
Question number?
Question number 3. 1 second.
Hello?
Sir, question number 3.
Okay. Question number 3. I want to print from Python, Java and C. Can you see there is a difference of 2 or not? It is a difference of 2. So
Yes, sir.
the difference of 2 is given. Difference of 2 is given. Correct? So either you will give this -2 to -7. If I give -2 and -7, what will happen? -2 is this one. -2, then -4 and -7. -2, -4 and -7. It will print these or not? These 3.
Yes, sir.
Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Or if you go in this direction, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 with a step value of -2.
Yes, sir.
So I am going from 5 to 0 with a step value of -2. Yes.
सर 7A रे जो होचे सर
7A. So,
सर languages
7 insert function did argument नहीं है. Insert function takes 2 argument. One, in which position, index value. Second, what to insert. ये तो गोटे value हमें देइछे ठीक. A insert. I should have given the index value, then I have the value. So index I have not given. Append function should not take index. I have given index over here. Append रे index नहीं है. Append माने तो last रे add हो. So no index. एठी की insert रे index दरकार. So these two.
सर insert रे दीटा argument हमें pass न करे ताले सेटा किसी print करिवनी.
Insert को जगह insert करियो. Insert means to insert at a index.
Yes sir.
तमे the last को add करियो तमे तो append use करियो. So no need to give the index. Insert माने तमे गोटे middle रे को जगह insert करियो चाहछो. So insert रे दीटा argument. बुझियो देखो लिखिथियो. The insert takes 2 arguments. A is the index at which new element B should be added. Now 8 error kon pai na it takes only 1 argument. बुझियो लडा? Is it understood?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Quickly, can you say this? This also again is a task for you. Quickly you do it. I will just check the answer whether it is correct or not. Very simple is print name. What it should print? First one.
Sir, all the
First
employees
one it will
in the list.
all. Yes,
All the
all
names.
the employees. Second,
Print all
name
the
in the range of second one 0 to length of this print name. What it will print?
same, sir. All the names.
Same, sir. All the names
Okay.
will be printed.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Third one, a name in the range of -1, 2. Print list of names. So name will be -1 to 2. 2 means it will go up to what?
Mary.
Jack.
It will go up to Jack. 2, see, if it is, it will go what? Upper limit -1. It will go up to upper limit -1. So it is -1. Then after it will go to James and Jack, because it will go up to 2 - 1 means one index. Is that understood? Similarly, from -4 to -1, so that will print what? -4 to -1.
James to Lily. So James to Lily.
Why
Jack to
it is
Lily.
from James?
Sir, Jack to Lily is print.
-1, -2, -3, -4.
No, sir. Sir.
-4. James, why it is James?
Sorry, sir.
See,
Jack to Lily.
it will start from -4. It will start from -4. Minus okay. So we'll be resuming our discussion. So we are discussing about the list comprehension. So list comprehensions provide a concise way to create a list. It consists of brackets containing s. Hello.
Sir, output question, sir.
Any doubt from the output question?
Yes,
Is
sir.
there any doubt from this? Tell me which question.
Third one.
Hello.
Sir, third one.
So it is what? So hello. I can't hear anything.
Yes.
Please
Sir,
explain the
question
third
number
one.
3 and 4.
Question number 3 and 4. Okay. Question number 3. So starting from -1. So -1 is what? So it will be what? -1, 0 and 1. -1, 0 and 1. So it will be Royla, James and Jack. Oh, sorry, Jack's is not printed over here. It's a printing mistake. Jack's has to be included. Jack has to be included over here. I just maybe overwritten. Yes, it is being overwritten. Sorry. Jack has to be there. Correct? And for the question number 4, from -4 to 1. So from -4 to 1, can you tell me which is -4? -4 is Jack. So -4 -2, what it could be? -4 to -2. Jack, Mary and Lily. This is correct. Jack, Mary and Lily. This is given correct. Any doubt from here? Any doubt?
No, sir. Understood.
No, sir, clear.
All clear. Now understood, sir.
There is a mistake over here. Maybe I have, while pasting, I have some. Okay. Now coming to the list comprehensions. List comprehensions provide a concise way to create the list. It consists of brackets containing an expression followed by a for clause, then 0 or more for its if clause. I will tell you that how it can be done. I can have a to create a list. What I can do, I can use an expression for creation. Right? Let for example, what is the syntax of it? This says that. What is the syntax of creating a list by using expression? What I'll write? The expression first. Try to understand for item in list if condition. Try to understand first each expression. I make it a different color so that you see first expression. Then I have for item list if condition, those things I am writing. Correct? Which is equivalent to for item in the list, this one, for item in the list, you have a condition, then you have this expression. So these things what you write can be written in this way. Is it understood what I am saying? If you have a for loop, inside for if you have a if and a expression, that can be written as a for if. So let us take an example over here. Create a list of even numbers with a specific range. Suppose the range is 20, within that you create only the even numbers. So how to create only the even numbers? To create only even numbers, I'll write for x in range 1 to 20. I'll write for x in range 1 to 20, 1 comma 20. So that means a range of values, a sequence will be created. A sequence, I am not creating a list now. For x in range 1 to 20, will create a sequence from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way. But what I want, this x has to be a even number. So in that for loop, I have to put a condition that if x modulo 2, then it is a even number. Is that understood? That means this for loop is over here. This condition is inside this for loop and I put it over here, correct? And what I want, those numbers has to be assigned to x. So I have x over here, x equals to that number. So this is expression. Don't have, suppose I want to find out those even numbers, I want to put their square in the list. So I'll just write x star x. So x into x I can write over here. Correct? If I want to create a list of square of the even numbers, if I want to create a list of square of the even numbers with specific range, I'll write this and I'll write x into x, so that now it will be 4, 16, 36, 64, 100 like that. Is it understood what I'm saying? Anybody having doubt in the first example? We have for condition, then I can have a if condition, whatever the output of those will be stored in the expression, and that can be assigned to a list. We'll go for the next example. Just see over here. Suppose I want to create a binary list. I want to create a list with having only zeros and 1 over there, right? What I'll do, I will have first, I will use a for loop over here for x in range 1 to 10. So what it will generate? For x in range 1 to 10, will generate numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For every number I divide with 2. For every number I divide with 2, and the remainder is added to this list. Automatically it is being added to the list. This is the syntax of writing a expression. And now if you print the list, it will printing from 1, 0, 0, 1 like that, whatever value, that will be going printing the values in that way. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood this, how this is very much useful, because this will reduce many statements over here. I may not have to write a number of statements and then I have to put it in the list. I can write it all in one line. I'm writing create a list which will display the square of the numbers from 0 to 10. I just write the same for in range 11 means 0 to 10, and for a first
Sir,
letter.
your
So
voice is not properly audible.
okay. So see, this is the list. This comes, this is a like this. What I want to print for
Sir, we can't hear you, sir.
भाई क्लास ले कटिगा वाला जे रेकी सिंह के समझो